Have you ever wondered how you can take control of your financial future without paying a dime? Well, today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do that with Credit Karma. Imagine having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips, always available to provide insights and guidance. That's essentially what Credit Karma offers. It's a free online platform that helps you track your credit score, monitor your credit reports, and even find personalized financial products like credit cards and loans. Step 1. Sign up. Let's get started. The first step is to sign up for a Credit Karma account. Head over to creditkarma.com and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and zip code. Step 2. Create a password. Once you've entered your basic information, you'll need to create a strong password to protect your account. Make sure to choose a password that's difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. Step 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Credit Karma will ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves answering a few questions about your financial history, such as the last 4 digits of your social security number or the name of a previous employer. Step 4. Link your credit reports. After verifying your identity, you'll be able to link your credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is a crucial step because it allows Credit Karma to provide you with accurate and up-to-date information about your credit. Step 5. Explore Credit Karma's features. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to explore the various features that Credit Karma offers. Here are a few of the most popular ones. Credit Score. Credit Karma provides you with access to your VantageScore 3.0 credit score, which is a widely used credit scoring model. You can see how your score has changed over time and get tips on how to improve it. Credit Reports. Credit Karma allows you to view your credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. This is a valuable tool for identifying errors and disputes on your reports. Financial Products. Credit Karma offers personalized recommendations for financial products, such as credit cards and loans. You can compare different offers and find the best deal for your needs. Credit Monitoring. Credit Karma's credit monitoring feature alerts you to any changes in your credit reports, so you can catch potential identity theft or fraudulent activity early. Tips for getting the most out of Credit Karma. Check your credit score regularly. Make it a habit to check your credit score on Credit Karma at least once a month. This will help you track your progress and identify any potential issues. Monitor your credit reports. Regularly review your credit reports for errors or inaccuracies. If you find any mistakes, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Use Credit Karma's financial tools. Take advantage of Credit Karma's tools, such as the Credit Score Simulator, to understand how different actions can impact your credit. Set financial goals. Use Credit Karma to set financial goals, such as increasing your credit score or paying off debt. This can help you stay motivated and focused. Credit Karma is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your financial future. By understanding how to use this platform effectively, you can improve your credit score, monitor your credit reports, and find the best financial products for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.